Sixth place goes to the Create Chefbot Touch Pro Connect. Its offer is straightforward: a 7-inch touchscreen and a 4.5-litre bowl at a fairly accessible price. It includes 26 programs, 12 speeds, a scale, a 2-level steamer, and a reverse function. Reverse turns the blades the other way to move stews, rice, or dough without cutting them. It also works from 37 to 160 degrees Celsius and can prepare up to 3 dishes with the basket and steamer. Its strengths are the space, screen, and number of accessories. Its drawbacks are a depth of 46 centimetres, a bowl that must not be fully submerged, and an ecosystem with fewer independent long-term tests than more established models. It ranks 6th because the specification is excellent, but long-term confidence is still lower.